Reline, Retrimmer line, Ryobi, Weed Whacker the easiest way possible. No tools needed. They suggest the Ryobi tool where you crank it. You don't need to. I'll show you how. So, if you could look closely, see this line right here? See this line right there? You're going to line that up to the holes, which it exactly is right now, but in case if it wasn't, all you do is hold it with your hand, you turn it, you push it in and turn it to the right, and you see how now the line is going perpendicular to that opening? You don't want that. You want to go pointing towards it. So you just push and turn until it lines up. There you go. Now that line is matching up with these holes. To trim this, Ryobi suggests 3 feet. So I just go from hand to hand. Let me step back. From hand to hand, you trim it this long. Feed this thread through this hole. I'm going to show it this way. I'm going to feed it through. You may have to play with it a little bit. Feed it through. Perfect. You fed it through. Now you make it equally distant from each other. So I'm going to pull this back so you can see. You pull this so it's even on each side. Just like so. Together, this is how you do it. So you have equal parts, one on this side, one on the other side. You hold the green part with your right hand and you push and twist clockwise, righty-tighty. Okay, as you noticed, sometimes this happens. All you have to do is go to the left, push into the left, and you pull it out. And you cut the excess on the other side. Okay, now if it's too short, again, you just push in and go to the left this time. And then you pull each end. Just like so. Trimmer line back in the Ryobi without any tools. Usually the tool goes into these grooves, but as you see it wears over time, and they suggest you buy a new tool or a new piece, a new green piece. Don't waste your money. Just use your hand, twist and turn it. If you don't want to get your hands dirty, just wear gloves. I have way more videos to come to make it short, simple, easy.